Well, hello there once again, everyone. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Michael's Munchies. So today, we have some Reese's peanut butter cup Mallow-Top. So basically a normal Reese's peanut butter cup, but the bottom half is chocolate. The top half is it says it's a marshmallow flavored cream. So I thought it might have been it's all chocolate, but bottom's milk chocolate, top is like a marshmallow flavored chocolate, but it says it's not chocolate, it says it's just a marshmallow cream. So let's see what this is. It's about a week after Easter, at least when I'm recording this, so we'll see. So, okay. Much thinner than it shows in the picture, but what can you do? Oh, bottom's all already melty. Yeah, that one you can see. So not a lot of marshmallow, it looks like, but we'll see what it tastes like. I can only smell the chocolate, or actually I can only smell the peanut butter. What am I saying? Hmm. Hmm. Can't quite taste it. So eating it with the marshmallow side down. I don't think I really taste anything. Just it tastes like a normal piece of peanut butter cup. I cannot really taste the marshmallow, like at all. It's a little unfortunate. I was hoping there'd be a little something. I mean, though it shows that there's a lot more really in the picture than there actually is. Because there's it's so thin. It's like paper, then there's like hardly any marshmallow top. So it's not surprising that I can't really taste it. I feel like I barely taste it for the first half a second when I take a bite, but there's so much more chocolate and peanut butter, it's very quickly just snuffed out. So I would say there's not really any difference. If you are going to taste anything, it's going to be so brief. It's going to be like, wait, what was that? Did I? Nah, it's probably nothing. With the flavor, so it's not really worth it. Unfortunately, no, it's melting, so I have it all over my fingers. Yeah, I'm not tasting the marshmallow really at all. Only on like the second one did I very briefly taste it. But then it was very excuse me, sorry about that. Then it was very briefly or very quickly just gone and overpowered by the chocolate and tons of peanut butter. So, that bumped the camera. There's all kinds of things up today. But yeah, this is not very good. There's almost no difference because there's such a paper thin layer of marshmallow top that you can't even really taste it. So, I mean, it's still peanut butter cups, so it's still pretty tasty, but yeah, it's not. You can't taste. The whole gimmick is that it has a marshmallow top but you can't really taste it, so really, really pointless. I'll give it a 3 out of 10, just because it is still a peanut butter cup, which tastes good, but if it's advertising the marshmallow top and you can't even taste it, then what's the point? So, oh well. Be sure to please check out my Facebook, where I'll post links for the new episodes when they drop, and check out my Instagram, where I'll again make posts when a new video comes out, as well as other food-related posts from time to time. And if you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe if you feel like it. And then yeah, if you've had this, comment what you think about it. And yeah, until next time, thanks everyone for watching. Enjoy your food.